quantities of the drug at a faster rate. Another example of a drug that relies heavily on catalysts is the antibiotic, erythromycin. Erythromycin is a macrolide antibiotic that is commonly used to treat bacterial infections. The synthesis of erythromycin involves the use of multiple catalysts, including boron trifluoride etherate and tin chloride. These catalysts are used to facilitate specific reactions in the synthesis of erythromycin, enabling the production of large quantities of the drug. Moreover, the development of new catalysts is also a crucial area of research in the pharmaceutical industry. Researchers are constantly working to develop new catalysts that are more efficient, selective, and environmentally friendly. For instance, in recent years, there has been a growing interest in the use of biocatalysts in drug synthesis and purification. Biocatalysts are catalysts that are derived from living organisms, such as enzymes. They offer several advantages over traditional catalysts, as they are often more selective, work under mild reaction conditions, and are often more environmentally friendly. One example of a biocatalyst used in the pharmaceutical industry is lipase. Lipase is an enzyme that catalyzes the hydrolysis of lipids, fats. It is used in the synthesis of several drugs, including statins, which are used to lower cholesterol levels. Lipase offers several advantages over traditional catalysts, as it is highly selective and works under mild reaction conditions. Additionally, lipase can be easily immobilized on solid supports, making it easier to recover and reuse. Another area of research in the development of catalysts for the pharmaceutical industry is the use of metal organic frameworks, MOFs. MOFs are a new class of materials that are made of metal ions linked together by organic molecules. They offer several advantages over traditional catalysts, as their properties can be tailored by changing the metal ions and organic molecules used. MOFs have shown promise in several areas of drug synthesis, including the synthesis of drugs that are difficult to produce using traditional methods. Catalysts are not without their challenges in the pharmaceutical industry. One of the most significant challenges is the development of catalysts that are selective and efficient enough for large-scale production. Additionally, catalysts often require precise reaction conditions, which can be difficult to achieve and maintain on an industrial scale. Moreover, the use of certain catalysts can pose risks to human health and the environment. For instance, some transition metal catalysts can be toxic and must be carefully handled to avoid exposure. As the pharmaceutical industry continues to advance, catalysts are likely to play an increasingly important role in drug synthesis and purification. With the growing demand for new and more effective drugs, there is a pressing need to develop catalysts that are more efficient, selective, and environmentally friendly. One area of research that holds great promise in the development of new catalysts is computational catalysis. Computational catalysis involves the use of computer simulations to design and optimize new catalysts. This approach allows researchers to screen large numbers of potential catalysts and identify those that are most likely to be successful. Another important area of research is the use of catalysts in green chemistry. Green chemistry is an approach that seeks to develop chemical processes that are environmentally sustainable and economically viable. Catalysts are an important tool in green chemistry as they can be used to reduce the amount of energy and resources needed to carry out chemical reactions. By developing catalysts that are more efficient and environmentally friendly, it may be possible to reduce the environmental impact of the pharmaceutical industry. In addition to drug synthesis and purification, catalysts are also important in drug delivery.